Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix there was server error creating your account. Please try again. Apple ID couldn't be created because of a server error. For example, if you want to join the family sharing account on your iPhone and after that you see this kind of error while joining the family sharing account, or you want to create a new account in family sharing and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to name or Apple ID here and you have to simply check your family sharing account, whether it is working properly or not. Which means if you are organizer of the family member account, then you have to simply open the settings and you have to check whether you have created the account correctly, and you can also try to add that family member into the family sharing account. Otherwise there is no option available, so you have to simply wait for some time because this may be due to the server error problem on the Apple. So you have to wait for some time. Moreover, you can also contact the Apple support so that they can guide you in a better way. After that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to Apple discussion and discuss the problem there. Many iPhone and Apple users are available there, so that if they face the problem and how they tackle the problem, they will tell you in the detail. So you have to go to the Apple discussion and discuss the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.